Now, before we get to refactoring, I've got a quick video for you, something we haven't covered, and it relates to forms. So let me go to the create form and let me type a title, any title, and then let's leave those two fields blank. So once I submit that, we see that we've got errors for just those two fields. And even though we have provided a valid title, well, it was reset, the value was removed, and you have to type it again. So actually this can be solved, and there is a helper in Blade for that called alt. It's a function that you just call on every input to make sure that the values that were correct aren't lost. So if there are any errors in the form, you just need to retype those that were incorrect. And those that are correct are inside the input. So let's go ahead and add this helper to our create form. Alright, so let's begin with the title. We just need to add the value attribute and call the alt helper, specifying the field name. That's everything that we have to do. Now let's do the same with the text areas. Content has to be put between text area tags. This is a description, and let me copy that once more for the long description. So a note here for you that this alt helper only works with the forms that are sent using the post method, and this also includes all the forms like this edit form, which is sent using the post method but is using the method spoofing. So this basically means that the alt helper won't work with the forms that are sent using the get method. You need to remember that. And also one thing for you about security, you shouldn't really use this alt helper with passwords and any other credentials or sensitive information. Those actually I would ask users to retype again. Alright, now just save the changes and let's see if this works. Let's refresh the page. Let me type those two. And when I submit the form, we see that the description is missing, but we still got the values for those two fields, and it's enough to just fill out the description, and there it is. Alright, so this was a quick video about the alt helper. Remember that it only works with the method post, and don't use it for the sensitive information like passwords.